Hey guys, today I'm going to be talking about a really cool theory called cellular memory. The theory behind this is cells, particularly the ones in our brains, are able to retain memories and experiences that influence our behaviors and our health. This theory really gained traction when the context of organ transplants and their recipients, where sometimes they displayed the behaviors and actions of the donors. And so let's begin with researching the connection between behavior and cell memory. Dr. Charles R. Swanston, a leading expert in this field, suggests that cells, particularly those in the brain, can undergo changes based on prior experiences and environmental influences. His work really emphasizes the idea that cellular behavior can reflect past stimuli, which might influence behavior, as Swanston notes. If cellular memory is valid, we could be looking at a form of biological inheritance where the smallest cells retain memories of past experiences. And using this research, we may actively be able to shape who we are and what we believe in based on the memories that our cells retain. Another really intriguing claim is cellular memory has been studied in organ transplant patients where recipients sometimes, in rare cases, are able to exhibit some of the traits and behaviors of their donors. Dr. Theresa Kelly, a medical researcher, points out, in rare cases, transplant recipients have reported adopting not only their physical traits, but also personal preferences, interests, and even emotional responses to those that resemble their donor. This has really led to fascinating studies where recipients have developed new tastes in food or music and personalities from the donor. And even in one case, a woman who received a heart transplant developed a new fondness for classical music that she never had before, but her donor loved classical music. And this really strange phenomenon challenges our conventional understanding of how memories are stored and even passed on. And cellular memory may challenge our current understanding of the brain and how it processes memories. Traditionally, we used to think that memory of something was stored pretty much only in the brain and encoded through complex neural networks. However, cellular memory holds true. It suggests that memory may not only be confined to the brain. It's could be contained in all of our cells throughout our entire body. Dr. David Brown, a neuroscientist, addressed this idea by saying, the brain may be the only location where memory is encoded. Evidence suggests that certain memories could be distributed throughout the body, particularly in all of our cells. This view forces us to reconsider the mechanisms of memory, suggesting a far more complex network of storage than we had ever previously imagined. He also elaborates, if cell memory extends beyond the brain, it would mean that cognition of the memory could be distributed in far more intricate ways than we had ever thought. So, in conclusion, cellular memory opens up a whole new realm of scientific inquiry, from behavior changes observed in the transplant patients to a broader implication for understanding memory in itself as a whole. This theory has potential to change the way we think about biology, health, human experiences, and everything in between. So, I hope this explanation has sparked curiosity in you, and have a good day.